In the UK, a hate crime is any criminal offence where someone is targeted because of their race, religion, sexual orientation, disability, or transgender identity. This can include verbal abuse or threats, physical attacks, harassment or intimidation, and damage to property. This is any hate crime directed at someone because they are Muslim, perceived to be Muslim, or associated with Muslims. Examples include being shouted at in the street or on public transport, online abuse or threats, graffiti or vandalism against mosques, discrimination or hostility in the workplace or school, physical violence, and harassment. The victim's perception is the most important when determining whether an incident constitutes a hate crime. However, if you are unsure, you can speak with our team who can support and provide guidance. It still matters. Even if something doesn't meet the legal threshold of a crime, reporting it helps us build a clearer picture of hostility towards Muslims across the UK. Every report strengthens our understanding and our ability to push for change. Fill in our reporting form. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. We'll ask the basics, so what happened, when, where, and whether you'd like follow-up support. On the phone, speak directly with our professional and empathetic helpline team on 0808 172 3524. Via email, send details to support@britishmuslimtrust.co.uk. WhatsApp, SMS, and live chat options are also available. You can make a report whether you are the victim, a witness, a third-party organisation, a mosque, or a family member or friend supporting the victim. No, your statement as a victim is the most important part of any report. While evidence such as photos, videos, or witness details can help, it is not required. Every experience matters, and we encourage you to come forward even if you don't have any additional evidence. First, you'll get confirmation that your report has been received. Then, a caseworker may get in touch to offer support if you've asked for follow-up. And finally, we'll add your report to our national data. All information you share is handled with strict confidentiality. Yes, you can choose to report anonymously. However, we encourage you to provide your contact details if you feel comfortable, as this allows us to offer follow-up support, connect you with services, and strengthen your case if needed. We're here to support you, not just record your experience. We can follow up with the police on your case, signpost you to trusted local services for legal advice, victim support, and mental well-being, and offer a safe and understanding space to talk through your options. We know that women, the elderly, and young people can be particularly vulnerable to being targets of anti-Muslim hate. Our team is here to support those most at risk and ensure they are able to report incidents safely and confidently. Only a caseworker can access your details. When we report nationally on anti-Muslim hate crime, we use the documented number of cases to highlight the lived experiences of anti-Muslim hate. Your safety, privacy, and confidentiality are always our top priority.